assignment operators are to assign a value from the right-hand side of an equation to the variable in the left-hand side. The simplest one and the most well-known one is, for example, when we say x equals to 5. So the equal sign here doesn't mean the equality. It doesn't mean that x is equal to 5. We'll see the equality operator when we study the conditions later. But this operator, equal sign, by itself means to assign the value on the right side to the variable in the left side. So x now has the value of 5. If we need an increment, that means we want to add another value to x, to the previous value of x, all we have to do is x plus equal 2, for example. Now, if we check the value of x, it is 7. If we repeat the same thing and we check x again, we see that it added 2 again. So this is the meaning of increment. Now, this also could be written in a more open or explicit way. So we can say x equals to x plus 2. And if we check x, we see again it's added 2. So it is just a method to reduce the size of the expression. So either way, it would work for you. So you can choose which way to express your calculations. Now again, we have it could be for decreasing the value. If we say x minus 2, so and x will be 9, so it'll be go down. Or we can use multiplication, so x, so the value of x multiplied, let's say 2, so that means x will be 18. So the same value of x, which is equivalent to x equals x multiplied by 2, or also division. For example, we can divide x by 3, for example. So when we check x, it is 6. And notice here that it works as float division, as a real division, because the result is a float number. Again, we have also the ability to get integer division. So x over let's say 4. So if we check x, it is 1. So and here, as you see, it is, although it is an integer division, it kept the decimal point, because originally the operand is 6, which is float. So for that reason, it kept it float in the calculation. But however, if we start, for example, with x equals to, let's say, 6 as an integer, and we say x equals to 4 and print x, we have also the assignment operator for the modulus. Again, it works, for example, if we assign first a value like 8, and then we say x modulus 3. So x is 2 because we have the remainder of 8 over 3 is 2. So, and finally also we can use the value x power equal to 3. So it will be 8. So it is equivalent exactly to x equals to the power x to the power 3, for example. So as we see here, we can use both assignment operators or the equivalent operations in Python. It is matter just of choice how you want to express your equations.